All right, what is going on, everybody? Hope you're all doing good. Hope you all had a good weekend. Uh, man, oh man, have I been making some huge mistake. A huge mistake with my breakout trading account here. And I just started trading again in the last month after I got my market cipher back, right? As you can see, I am down 55%. Freaking 1 to 4 win percentage. About even on my trades. Awful. Looks awful, right? It's all fees. It's all commissions. I forgot all about commissions and fees and huge mistake. Huge rookie idiot mistake, right? That's okay because I found out before I breached. And now we made half our losses back in one trade. Okay? See, because right here, Friday, I took two winners. Two small winners, a $7 and a $2, I believe. And, man, yeah, see, 7 and 2 on Friday. I was like, winners. And I ended up negative $6. I said, what the hell? What the hell is going on? I freaked out, got super angry. And then I realized there was commissions. There's commissions on these trades. This is the trade I took earlier. I'm gonna show you why I took this trade. But you see that 345 to close it. It was 3 something to open it. Okay, and that's with all these trades right here. All these trades. So that $7 win, really only about 50-cent win, right? Because it takes $3.50, almost $7 to open and close the trade. That $2. I count that as 9. That's that $1.97, that $2 win, that is actually a $6 loss, or $5 loss. You know, right here, this $3 loser, that was a losing trade. I closed it out with negative $3. But turns out it's a negative $10 trade because of the commissions, right? Rookie mistake. Fucking rookie mistake. I was trying to scalp, you know, just let those little 12s, that's really 6, let the little 12 and 7 and $2 just add up, right? No, that's not what's been going on. And I've been wondering why. I thought maybe my prices was just off. I didn't figure it out until after I took two of these winners Friday, and I still ended up negative $6 on the fucking day. What? And then I got to doing some math, and turns out anything I'm down right now, all this negative, all this red, is because of my fees. When I go down to my trading journal here, I'm actually positive 47. Positive 47 in my trades if it wasn't for the commissions. Without commissions taken out, I'm up $47. But with commissions taken out, I'm down 55. But that's okay. That's okay, because we realized it before we breached, right? And we made half of it back in a single trade, okay? So we know what we're doing now. We know we got to cover the spread. So we're getting off the 1 and 5 minute time frames, okay? And we're going to move up to the 10 and the 15, and then we're going to confirm it on the 1 hour. Make sure the 1 hour is doing exactly what we want to see to take the entry on the 10. Usually the 10, you know, the 15 is just extra. That'll just be extra, but you're going to catch it sooner on the 10. Okay? You could even jump down to the 5 and stuff, but we're going to get off those. We're going to get off those because before I got the account, I was trading the 15 and the 1 hour, and I was freaking nailing it, man. But let me tell you why I took the trade that got half of my losses back in one trade. You know, I've had many a trades, and I've got down 95, negative 95, and I freaked out Friday because I shouldn't have ended the day negative, but I should have because I didn't realize the commissions, right? Even though I made $9, I spent 14 in commission, right? So, but we know now. We're not gonna freak out. We've adjusted, made half our losses back in a single trade because we adapted, and now we know what we're doing. We know we need at least $15-20 to really be profitable, right? Because the seven's coming out. Seven's coming out on 0.1. Before I was doing 0.1 lots, I was spending like $6 in commission to open a trade and then $6 to close it. So $12, $13, $14 just to open and close a single trade. Tearing myself up. But why did I take this trade here? Well, I'm going to tell you. It is basic. It is the core strategy of Market Cipher, right? Core strategy with the VWAP strategy mixed in. Okay? You're just getting your bullish divs. General upside is up. Came up a little bit there. You got your last green dot, pretty good green dot right there at the close to the 60. Okay? Your money flow is curving up, about to enter, right? You're claiming VWAP. You're making VWAP is support, making sure VWAP is support here. Your money flow is coming up. Now you don't just take it off of this, right? Let's go to the 1 hour. I went to the 1 hour. What did I see? I saw a green dot. I saw a green dot printing. The 98, 88, it's really 88, but 85 is close enough, was my entry point, right? So we was looking at the 10, we saw money flow coming in, and then on the 15, money flow was coming in as well, coming up, right? VWAP was coming up. Your 10 minute, your VWAP started curving up with that money flow coming in. But you go to your 1 hour. Green dot, confirming. And then on your 2 hour, once again, VWAP was coming up above that 60. Your Market Cipher B was pinching off hard right here, and sure enough, you got the green dot the next candle, and it did confirm, right? So that's why we took this trade, because the 10 minute gave us everything we wanted to see. We had our bullish divs, momentum to the upside, money flow curving beautifully up to the upside, and then I'm pretty sure money flow is already in right here. You just came in on the 5, right? You know money flow is already in on the 5. So you just assume she's going to come in on the 10, right? And the 15. And I'm pretty sure money flow had just come in on the 1 hour as well. Yeah. See, money flow had just come in. We had all our confluences on our 10 minute that we wanted to see. You know, general direction to the upside. Money flow's coming in. And then we checked the 1 hour. Boom. Money flow's already in. You're getting a green dot real close to that zero line. VWAP is just... It just had that sharp turn to it, and we took the trade, and it worked out beautifully. Made us $44. Let's go to our right here. Well, let's see. So we got in right here, 99 or 98, 88, and then we sold. Not at the top, and we could have held it. But she ripped up so fast. You see the 15 minutes, she just ripped up. I was watching it, and I saw her rip up, and I was like, $50 in profit. And I was like, man, she ripped too fast not to come back down, right? And sure enough, she did. But she continued up. I felt like there was still more room to run, but I made half my losses back, right? I could have held it, but no guarantee she would have stayed. And right now, we're already below where I took my profits. Well, we just got back above it a little bit, you know. But I'm happy with it. So that's why we took the trade, and that's why we're going to keep winning now that we know about the fees and the commissions. We're not going to lose, because right now we should be up almost $50 on the account. You know, I think that's 2%. That's 8% away from being funded, right? We should be up 50 with the trades we've taken, but we're down 55 because of the commissions, and I didn't even think about it. Didn't even think about the fees and commissions. Still kicking myself about it, but it's okay. It's okay, because like I said, we have our plans. We're going to stick to the 10s and the 15s, and we're going to back them with the 1 hours, the 2 hours, you know, just the higher time frames, just the core Market Cipher strategy, right? That's what we're going to do. That's what I'm going to do. That's what you should do too. Stick to the core Market Cipher strategy. You know, maybe you have like the VWAP. I've added the VWAP. It is my support and my resistance. I still draw fibs. I still do fibs, but right now, man, just the VWAP has worked so well for me. And that's why we took this trade. And that's how we're going to keep taking the trades, right? Make sure we're going, like right now. She looks like she still has room to run, right? She can still make higher highs. VWAP's coming up. You can expect a green dot here soon if she crosses over. And lower lows on momentum, right? She still has room to run, for sure. But I made half my losses back in a single trade. That's why you keep your losses to a minimum. Had I known every little $2, every little $2-3 loss I took was actually fucking $10, $11, I might have tried to hold them on a little bit longer. But minimize your losses, maximize your gains. That's the name of the game. And now that we know what we're doing, now that we know we got to cover $7, we're gonna make this shit happen. Okay. The challenge is to be funded by the end of the week. I think I can do it. Also making this video to let you know there will be live streams in the morning and live streams in the evening. It'll be I haven't really set a morning time yet. It'll be between 6 and 7, but before the market opens for sure. But I need to make a set time. But I think I'm going to start going live around 5:45 in the evening every day, Monday through Friday. There won't be any streams on the weekend unless, I decide to stream on the weekend. But don't expect weekend streams. That's the schedule. Every morning, every evening around 5:30, 5:45, we're going live to trade the VWAP reset. See if we can't catch a little move or something. You know what I mean? We get our confirmations. We catch us a little move. But that's it. VWAP, money flow, divs. And then we're gonna back it with the higher time frames. Back at what we were seeing on the 10. Okay? So that's how we're gonna go forward. That's how we're moving forward. That's the schedule. Thank you, everybody. Make sure you have the notification bell on. Like, subscribe if you're not already. Appreciate all the support. Let's make some money this year, man. Let's all accomplish our goals as traders. Thank you again, everybody. But that will do it for me. I'm out.